Hey guys, just doing a little, putting some stuff up here, but put that 9mm up, 45, 9, 22 TCM, the 3 Rock Islands. But anyway, just want to do a little clarification. Put these 22 mags up, but the scores that's been going on with the M22s. Now, to me, y'all do what you want to. M22 and a brick of a regular. This contains 2 fucking bricks. It's a block. 1 brick, a fucking block. But that's just me. You guys do what you want to with it. But I'm just saying, when you score some M22s, since it's the only one that fucking comes in a 1,000-round pack, you just didn't score a brick of M22s. You scored a fucking block. Score one of these, yeah, you scored a fucking brick. Score one of these, deuce and a quarter, fucking half a brick. I mean, here's what it is, man. But anyhow, y'all do what you want to with it. I'm just saying, you score M22s, you scored a fucking block. But anyhow, just wanted to do a little clarification there. So, you guys shoot straight. Hope you're finding what you need. Take care.